Welcome to How to Sell Your Music Using Instagram Ads. There are two ways to create an Instagram ad. The first way is through Facebook Ads Manager, and this is it on the screen. The second way is through your Instagram app. We are going to learn how to create an Instagram ad through Facebook Ads Manager. First, click on this green plus button. Then we're going to click on traffic. As you can see, there are multiple marketing objectives. Today we're going to discuss traffic, but if you want to skip ahead and learn how to complete a conversion ad, go to www.advancedmarketingstrategy.com. Okay, we're going to click on traffic. We're going to give it a campaign name. I'm going to name it after my song. Sign is the best. We're going to set a budget. I have it set at $100, but you can set it at $20 or $10, whatever your budget is. And then we're going to set up an ad account. You're going to put your country, currency, and your time zone. Press continue. We're going to direct it to our link to the website, the sales page. Alright, then we're going to create an audience. So who are we targeting? It says buyers from the United States. But where in the United States? Where are your buyers in particular? You can market your song to everyone in the United States, but Facebook is going to try to reach over 230 million people. This is going to cause your ad to be very expensive. You want to try to narrow down the potential reach so that you're getting your bang for your buck. You're not spending money trying to reach people who are not interested in hearing your song. So we're going to go to Facebook Audience Insights. This is a nice tool to help you narrow down your target audience. We have a choice to either target everyone on Facebook or people connected to our page. At this point in time, we're going to click on everyone on Facebook. We're going to target the United States. And then we have to choose who do you believe is most likely going to listen to your song. So I'm going to put 18 through 25. So if your genre is pop music, going to choose pop music. And let's say your song sounds like Justin Bieber. You're going to click on him. So as we can see, more women like Justin than men. So in this case, I'm going to go back to Facebook. I'm going to target only women. If this was closer in number, I would choose women and men. But since almost 60% of women like Justin Bieber, then we're going to only target women. As you can see, people who like his music are between the ages of 18 and 24. And it's 84%. If you try to go above that, you'll waste your money. Because you'll try to reach the 16% who may or may not like his song. Or who does like his song, but you have to spend more money trying to reach them because only 60% out of 100% of people like Justin between the ages of 25 and 34. So we're going to click on 18 through 24. Okay? I'm going to choose 18 to 24. Alright. And for languages, we're going to click on English. But if your song is in Spanish or a different language, you can choose your languages here. Then we're going to go back, scroll down. It looks like most of the people who like Justin is in college. So we're going to go back. We're going to, where it says detailed targeting, we're going to choose college. And we're going to target people who are in college. If you want, you can target people who have college degrees as well. So we're going to go back to Facebook Audience Insights. And as you can see here, 50% of the people who like Justin are single. So we're going to choose, they have to be in college, single. Now as you can see, I clicked on narrow further. Let's say I put single here. This means that they have to be in college or single. But since I clicked on narrow further, now it says they have to be in college and single. See, there's a difference. It's in college or single. So if they're single but not in college, if you clicked on this one up here, if they're single but not in college, Facebook would target them. But because I put they have to be in college and they have to be single, and right here, Facebook won't target them if they're single and not in college. They have to be both, single and in college. Alright? We're going to now further. Now we're going to put Justice name. Alright. So now I'm saying the person has to be in college and single and like Justin. Alright. So I'm going to go back. Go to location. So we have several locations here that we can target. Instead of wasting our money and targeting everyone in the United States, we're going to target the city that you're in, the surrounding cities that you're in, and we're also going to target these particular cities right here. We're going to go back up, and where it says locations, going to X United States. And let's say you currently live in New York. So I'm going to put New York. Okay. And let's say you want to also target the surrounding cities in New York, right? So we're going to target Brooklyn, target the Bronx, We're going to target queens. Alright, and now, according to Facebook Insights, people who like Justin lives in Memphis, Tennessee. They live in Texas. So these are all 100%. Select the audience is 100% more likely to be in this group compared to Facebook users. And then it drops down to 40%, 20%, 17%. If you want, you can also target these cities right here. So as you can see, now your audience is defined. The arrow before was over here because it said your audience was fairly broad. But because you narrowed it down, now your audience is defined. Your potential reach is 23,000 people. These people also like Justin. They're most likely going to like you too. So far, we're targeting the surrounding cities of where you live and the cities and counties who like Justin between the age of 18 and 24. We're targeting women who speak English, and they have to be in college, single, and like Justin. Alright? That says add a connection type. You can target people who just like your page. You can exclude people who already like your page. So if you want to target people who doesn't already like you, who isn't already your fan, you'll click on this and then put your page so that Facebook isn't targeting people who already is interested in your music. After this, you can save this audience so that the next time you create an ad, all this work that you did is already done. And if you want to be more detailed, you can also go to Google Trends. You can type in Justin's name. And as you can see, they also give you more cities that you can focus on. As you can see, your potential reach increased, but your audience is still defined. So this is where you create the Instagram ad here. Instead of automatic placements, we're going to edit placements. Instead of all devices, we're going to uncheck desktop because most people who go to Instagram are on their mobile devices. We're going to uncheck Facebook, uncheck Audience Network, and Messenger.